Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blend here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blending effect here in Adobe Express can be achieved by combining multiple images or elements in creative ways. Although Adobe Express doesn't have a dedicated blend mode like Photoshop, however, you can use these techniques to create blended effects and transition between elements, images, and a lot more. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the design or project that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can browse and get inspiring thousands of designs to begin your work. If you want to upload your own content, just click the button right here. Now, I'm going to start by using my specific design here, all right? And I'm going to add a new page by clicking the button right here. And I'm going to add images to this empty canvas. All right, so click on the media right here. I'm going to use this girl right here. So one of the easiest way for you to blend, all right, an element, say for example a photo, okay, is add another photo media right here. I'm going to use this one. I'm gonna send this to back. Send it to back, and then go to the picture and use the blend mode here. All right, you can choose multiply. You see that? All right, so let me just reduce the opacity of the second background so you'd be able to notice it. All right, so as you can see, the images have been blended together. All right, let's try to use another photo, maybe this later right here, to see if that fits the effect that I wanted. All right, try to set the multiply. You see that? That's one way for you to blend images here in Adobe Express. Now we're going to add a new page wherein we're going to add videos instead. Go to media and of course go to videos. Now for the I'm going to add multiple images here. I mean video right here, and then add another video. Maybe let's see all to see what we got. Let's try to look for another video right here. Videos. So let's look for another one. Maybe this okay, so let's search for another video. Maybe just maybe right here. Now on top of it, I'm going to add, say, this fire at the background. I'm going to put this all the way to the back. Now what I'm going to do is decrease the opacity of the three images so we can blend all of them together in one perfect design. All right, click on play. You see that we have blended the videos in one perfect design. All right, because if you want to have more control over blending, you can use other tools, then bring the result in Adobe Express. All right, once you're happy with it, you might want to go to the download option here on the upper right corner, wherein you can download all these amazing blended elements, images, and videos into one video. Say for example 1080 file, but if you want to change it to 4K, you need to upgrade to the premium plan. Now if you want to share this to your client, click the view link only, allow others, and create a link and send it to your boss or your client or the multiple members that you are working with a specific design. If you want to save a copy of it to your cloud, just click on the Google Drive OneDrive, and Dropbox. So you have all these options. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.